In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a recommendation on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your LinkedIn profile. Begin by logging into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture or the Me tab at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Click on it and then select View Profile to bring up your personal profile page. Next, we need to locate the Recommendations section on your profile. Scroll down through your profile until you see this segment. If you find that you don't have a Recommendations section yet, don't worry. Simply click on the Add Profile section button located at the top of your profile. This will give you a drop-down menu where you can expand the Recommended tab. From there, select Add Recommendations to include this section. Now that you have the recommendations area set up, it's time to initiate the request for a recommendation. Find the option that says Ask for a Recommendation and click on it. This is where the fun begins. You'll need to choose a connection from whom you want to request a recommendation. Search for the individual you'd like to ask, making sure they are someone who is familiar with your work. This could be a manager you've had, a colleague you worked closely with, a client you've assisted, or even a mentor who knows your professional strengths well. After selecting your connection, you'll define your relationship with them. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to specify how you know each other. Additionally, be sure to select the position you held while you were working together. This will give context to the recommendation that's about to be forged. Once that's done, it's time to write a personalized message. Craft a polite, clear note to your connection. In this message, you might want to remind them of specific projects you worked on together or key strengths you'd like them to highlight. Personal touches like this can really help them frame the recommendation better, making it more impactful. After you finish writing your message, go ahead and click Send to submit your request. Patience is key here. Once the person you've asked writes the recommendation for you, LinkedIn will notify you. At this point, you can review their recommendation before deciding whether to accept and add it to your profile. And there you have it. Leaving a recommendation on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that not only enhances your profile, but can also strengthen your professional network. Always remember to express gratitude when someone agrees to write you a recommendation, as it's a kindness that can boost your career visibility. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like it for more tips on navigating LinkedIn and other professional platforms.